Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question for you from the topic of exponential functions. Let's solve it together. The exponential function f of x equals a times b to the power of x, where a and b are positive constants, is defined. The table shows values of f of x at selected values of x. Which of the following statements is true? So x values are 0 through 4, so x values are increasing. Y values are 3 till 48, so they are also increasing. If they are both increasing, this must be a growth function. We will go ahead and eliminate the choice A and D because they're decay functions. Oh, not the B, I'm sorry, it's C. So the answer is either B or D. Now we're going to use the function, the given data, f0 is equals to a times b to the power of 0 is 3. So a times 1 is 3, a is 3 then. Let me write this 3 again. A times 1 is 3, a is 3. So f1 is the second data. 3 times b to the power of 1 is 6. 3b is 6, then b is 2. So we just found the value of b is 2. The correct answer then, choice B for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.